Let's add this dye. Let's add this dye, man. A lot of people use the leak stop. I use this right here. I actually prefer this because I hear that leak stop clogs up TXVs and stuff, so we'll put this in there. I don't have a pen, but they'll know there's some dye in here. And we'll put that. Let's do this. Let's set this up. It's smooth and easy, very quick. Very quick stuff here. Put that in there. Yeah, my mentor showed me all this stuff right here. So, customer is cooling. She's enjoying it. So happy, man. Elderly woman. You know, it's too hot to be dealing with this, man. Especially when you're older, man. But watch how smooth this dye goes in there. You gotta be careful with this stuff, though, man. This thing get all over. Look at that. See how that stuff is getting in there? Done. Got a bunch of dye on me, man. I'll pick my good pants. I'll pick my good pants for this, man. This stuff is nasty. It has to go in the back of my truck. I'm not opening my truck for this, man. Alright, boom. Dye in the system. Dye in the system.